download/extraction error. Very common with games, cracked installers, launchers, and even legit setups. Here's the real working solution, step by step. What this error means. Quick, the installer file is corrupted, download was interrupted, antivirus modified or deleted files, not enough disk space, bad RAM. Checksum mismatch equals file integrity failed. CAG solution, follow in order. Step 1, turn off antivirus. Very important. Antivirus is the number one cause. 1, open Windows security. 2, virus and threat protection. 3, turn off. Real-time protection, controlled folder access. 4, if using third-party antivirus, disable completely. Re-enable after installation. Well, step 2, re-download the installer, clean. Do not reuse the old file. Delete the previous setup completely. Download again. Use a stable internet connection. Prefer official source. Avoid download managers if possible. Step 3, move installer to simple path. Some installers fail in long paths. Move file to. You can see the code in our conversation history or desktop. Avoid. You can see the code in our conversation history. Step 4, run as administrator. 1, right-click installer. 2, click run as administrator. Step 5, check disk space. Make sure you have 2 times the installer size free space, example 20 gig installer, 40 gigabytes free. Step 6, fix temp folder. 1, press Win R. 2, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, delete all files, skip errors. Step 7, extract again if using zip rar. If error appears during extraction, re-download archive, use latest WinRAR/7-zip, right-click extract here, make sure no error appears. If still not fixed, rare, check RAM advanced. 1, press WinR. 2, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, restart, let Windows test memory. Bad RAM equals checksum errors. What not to do. Don't ignore the error. Don't force install. Don't use half-downloaded files. One-line fix summary for video ending. Error code 12 means corrupted files. Disable antivirus, re-download clean, and install as admin.